Ti say na Obofour na sorry. Wow. Obofour has to be careful. Obofour, you have to be careful. And yes, I made it. Ni only me can be a meka.
What is when is coming? When is coming? When is coming is doing. Hey. See the way Montreal to make 177 they are Ghana. Obianka no bro Toronto I say when is coming is doing.
This is a police warehouse we're robbing. I don't think this is a good idea.
I respect everybody, but nobody can be contracted to fuck up. You just write this message down.
Get me the video.
One chair on Hon Kennedy Agyapong, mommy. Safon na 2, one chair na mommy. I want can chair and say Obofour so chair. Now one chair justice kokwa na mommy. My name is the Great Lion. Channel, mommy. But Kokwana, they won't channel 3 times. So me say me channel. O channel no buzana say me say why now? Hey. Obi antro to us. I say when is coming is doing. And Ghana very soon will know the great people and the fakest ones in the country. I swear my dad's grave. I'll come back on air again. If Papa compare komichia baby awobia. Obako Obofour, I'll respect you till I die. Mobian refi, se me se mon chair justice kokwa na 2 emami. I am the king of the night. I will forever defend my title. I will never die as a coward. I still remain the 3 years innocent. And the time will tell. Kabarasi Sansara. People should remember the days of H0t FM. I said this time, even if I die, I will defend my title. I will defend my title. Nobody can finish the unfinished business for other people. We are all Ghanaians. I rest my case. Send my greetings to Honorable Mechia, Honorable Kennedy Agyapong. My right to say Mechiano, or a member of parliament. The honor is coming, is doing. I rest my case. I will never die as a coward. When Chia Olumama me send the basi or Chiano. Na Mochiano ba kwa Monchia kwa na miensa. Before 12 o'clock Ghana time. We shall see. Good luck, my country. I love Ghana. City women I'm tears. Oh God. And who jobless? No one cares. Ubia Timin Koshep and Mubia Chu Ghana ever finishing agenda. I swear my dad's grave. I will never close my mouth. I will never shut up again. Your permas won't consume permas. Min commanding to move. The vengeance is for the Lord. Mese monchia be papa Kennedy Agyapong mama na monchia kokwa na justice kokwa na the 2 monchia na 3 times machia na sa echo 15. Let's finish the day. You are bibi anko kan papa enye grede maybe myself I'll come back on air.